Hey everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery treats. I saw these and I just had to grab them up. So he had a $14 one, I believe, and a $6 one. And you get a added 50% value to that. So our $14 mystery treat should be like at least a $21 value, and our $6 mystery treat should be at least a $9 value. So what I'm hoping for is, I'm hoping the $14 mystery treat is like, it said it can be something new, something old, you know, and it said it could just range, you know, basically just anything. So I'm hoping the $14 one is like a mini palette. That's just dreaming. I don't think it's a mini palette, but like a mini palette would be nice, or something from his skincare line. I haven't tried any of his skincare. That would be nice. Or maybe just a liquid lipstick would be nice too. For the $6 one, I'm hoping for like a lip scrub. I love his lip scrubs. They really like those pens too, so I'm hoping I don't get that. I hope it's something like more makeup or skincare related, or even maybe like an under eye serum or something. I'm not sure if any of his new lines have that, but something along those lines would be nice. But this is a pretty hefty little box, so I don't think we're going to be disappointed. So let's get into this and see what we got. Alright, so I finally got the tape cut. They really had it taped on there. So let's see what we got. The Scorpio picture. Oh, I love that. That is, oh, that's so gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what's, I wonder if there's anything, I wonder if that's kind of like a little hint. Maybe there's something from the Scorpio line in here. That's like the new one. So, alright, let's see. Okay, so I am guessing, we'll start with the $9 one. Or the $6 one. I'm gonna guess this is the $6 one. It's a pair of Jeffree Star socks. Those look so comfortable. They've got the arch support on them, and they're just tall, like pink socks, and they're super stretchy. Oh, these are going to be so comfortable. I was not expecting this. These are going to be so comfortable. I'm excited about these. Alright, and what I'm guessing is the $14 one is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Highlighting Powder. Oh my god, and it is in the color Siberian Gold. Gosh, I love Jeffree Star highlighters. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my god. I am so excited. My lights are a little bright for it. Let's make that a little brighter. I don't know if you can see that. You can see it a little bit. Yeah, right there. That is so pretty. It's got just a really subtle, like golden. Let's put some on. Let's try it out. Oh my goodness. It gives you such a beautiful golden glow. Y'all, I'm excited. I think we got some good stuff. So I'm really happy with my mystery treats. I think these are really good values and not at all what I was expecting. Like, I love that I got another Jeffree Star highlighter. I only have one, and it's hit and pan, so I'm really glad I got another one, and I love the color. The one I have have is more of a white, and this is more of like an everyday shade. So I love that I can try that out, and you're gonna catch me wearing these, okay? Okay, guys, it's so funny that I got these because everybody that knows me knows I'm always wearing comfortable socks. I rarely go barefoot. Like, I'm always wearing like fuzzy socks and super soft luxe socks like this. So the amount of excitement I have for these socks is probably a little bit ridiculous, but if you're interested in purchasing the Valentine's Day mystery treats from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I'll link them down below. Like I said, there's a $14 one and a $6 one. So I just got one of both so we could kind of see what they might maybe send you. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this quick unboxing. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and show me some love in the comments, and be sure to subscribe because I do a lot of unboxings and try-ons and hauls and all that kind of fun stuff over here. So be sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow me on all of my socials. You can find me just under the name Candy Calloway. And I thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.